The 2025 BMW X8 is the ultimate fusion of power, luxury, and futuristic design, redefining what an SUV can be. Auto Igniters brings you an exclusive look at this high-performance beast that dominates the road with an aggressive stance and cutting-edge technology. Under the hood, the X8 offers multiple powertrain options, including a monstrous twin-turbo V8 that delivers up to 750 horsepower in the top-spec M variant, making it one of the most powerful SUVs on the planet. With BM's X-Drive all-wheel drive system, this powerhouse rockets from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.5 seconds, effortlessly competing with supercars while offering the comfort and space of a luxury SUV. The advanced air suspension and adaptive dampers ensure a smooth yet dynamic ride, allowing the X8 to handle corners like a sports coupe while providing supreme comfort on long journeys. Its electronically limited top speed reaches 186 miles per hour, placing it in an elite category of high-performance SUVs that push the boundaries of engineering and innovation. Step inside, and the 2025 BMW X8 welcomes you to a futuristic cockpit that blends opulence with cutting-edge technology. A massive curved OLED display stretches across the dashboard, seamlessly integrating the digital instrument cluster with BM's latest iDrive infotainment system. The system supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, along with AI-powered voice commands that make controlling the vehicle effortless. The interior is bathed in customizable ambient lighting, enhancing the high-tech atmosphere, while the seats are wrapped in premium leather with contrast stitching, offering both supreme comfort and aggressive bolstering for high-speed stability. The crystal gear shifter, carbon fiber trims, and an Alcantara-wrapped headliner elevate the sense of luxury, ensuring that every drive feels like an experience rather than just a journey. Rear passengers aren't left behind either, with executive lounge seating, rear entertainment screens, and a state-of-the-art Bowers & Wilkins sound system that delivers an immersive audio experience. On the road, the BMW X8 showcases a level of performance that defies its size. The hybrid-assisted V8 variant provides instant torque, ensuring explosive acceleration even at high speeds. The steering is razor-sharp, offering precise feedback, while the active rear-wheel steering enhances agility, making the X8 feel much smaller and more maneuverable than its dimensions suggest. The M-Tune braking system provides exceptional stopping power, instilling confidence even when pushing the SUV to its limits. Thanks to its advanced aerodynamics, including an adaptive rear spoiler and underbody diffusers, the X8 remains incredibly stable at high speeds, reducing drag while improving downforce for maximum grip. Whether cruising on the highway, attacking tight mountain roads, or effortlessly overtaking on city streets, this BMW delivers an unrivaled driving experience. The exterior design of the 2025 BMW X8 is nothing short of breathtaking. Its bold front fascia features an illuminated kidney grille that demands attention, flanked by sleek laser headlights that provide exceptional visibility and a distinctive lighting signature. The sculpted bodywork exudes aggression, with flared wheel arches housing massive 23-inch forged alloy wheels wrapped in high-performance rubber. The sloping coupe-style roofline adds a touch of sportiness while maintaining practicality, and the quad exhaust tips hint at the beastly performance within. At the rear, a full-width LED light bar enhances its futuristic appeal, while the diffuser and roof-mounted spoiler optimize aerodynamics. The overall stance of the X8 is wide, low, and menacing, ensuring that it stands out as a dominant force on any road. Pricing for the 2025 BMW X8 reflects its premium status and groundbreaking technology. The base model starts around $120,000, offering an impressive balance of performance and luxury, while the fully loaded M variant crosses the $170,000 mark, featuring carbon ceramic brakes, a track-focused suspension setup, and an exclusive high-performance engine tune. Considering its speed, power, and cutting-edge features, the X8 presents a compelling alternative to rivals like the Lamborghini Urus, Aston Martin DBX 707, and Porsche Cayenne Turbo GT, making it a top choice for those who demand both ultimate performance and uncompromising luxury. With its mind-blowing acceleration, top-tier technology, and a design that turns heads, the 2025 BMW X8 is a game-changer in the high-performance SUV segment. Stay tuned to Auto Igniters for more exclusive updates on the hottest cars hitting the S.